Alright, I'm done staying silent on this, and it's time to go a little bit
Scorched earth.
I actually hate making videos like this because I much rather be talking about opportunities in the market rather than addressing ridiculousness that is sprouting up everywhere again. But it is important that I address this up front right now because it really does hurt me to read comments in my videos, in forums, even in my own Discord of people who got burned on a stock watching a hype channel. So I will show you exactly how to spot a hype channel, as some are actually tricky to spot, and I will tell you the YouTubers I feel give the best bull cases for stocks. And I'll try not to get too riled up too in the process. Now yes, hyping every stock to the moon can make your channel massive. I get why people do it. But hype leaves you guys, the audience, hurting, and I just can't do that, and I know it costs me subscribers. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, you guys let me know in the comments before you liked free and easy, and that is what subscribing to this channel and liking this video is. It's free and easy. So this whole drama and everything else all started because I was asking our Discord about a valuation on NIO stock. And as I talked back and forth with this individual, he was referring to things about NIO I had never even heard of and was referencing a bunch of speculation at best in his valuation. So I simply asked, where are you getting this from? And the answer was a bunch of YouTube videos. So I just put NIO stock in the search bar on YouTube and it was disgusting. Ridiculous price targets and statements on almost all the top videos. And just so you don't have to, I watched a ton of these hype videos. That is worth a like right there, especially since it screwed up my feed and now I'm getting suggested all kinds of hype videos all the time now. Thanks, YouTube. Now some of these videos were from small YouTubers trying to make it. And although I don't like it, I understand they are trying to go viral. But some were from some huge YouTubers with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. There were multiple people in this category, not just one or two. So after watching all that garbage, here is how to spot a hype channel or a hype valuation so you can avoid it unless you like to buy at all-time highs or buy bad stocks. First, they say company whatever is a $2 trillion company and they will tell you how it is. And then they spend the entire video repeating back the slide deck from an earnings call, marketing materials from the website, and telling you what the company does and how great it is and how important their work is without ever actually tying it to revenue, profitability, earnings per share, or anything else tangible that factors into an actual valuation of the stock. Now I get it, not every video can be a deep dive into the financials or valuation. They get pretty boring and dry pretty fast, and I don't do it much either, as I bore myself when I do it. But if you're gonna claim some outrageous price target, you should at least allude to revenue or some other metric that will actually get you there. Now the second is a bit sneakier, especially for new investors, and let me show you how it's sneaky. So some of these YouTubers did use actual numbers, but there was one big problem. The only numbers that they seemed to use to justify what they were doing was basically a 2040 projection. A red flag should go up right there that there might be more hype than anything else to this video. And that's because the reality is, it is hard to project out with any accuracy to 2025, much less 2030 or 2040 like I saw in these videos. At that stage, it is pure speculation, 100%, and it's basically just a wild guess. There is a reason why Cathie Wood and her team only gave us price targets for Tesla out to 2025. They are some of the smartest people in the business, with teams of people and algorithms and other formulas to get those valuations. But even they did not go past 2025, but there were multiple people giving valuations based on numbers in 2030 to 2040. Nothing screams hype quite like that. And finally, they talk about a catalyst coming for a stock that will push the price to unreasonable highs in a very short time frame. I literally saw somebody make the case for NIO to 100 by the summertime. NIO to 100 by next summer, I buy. NIO to 100 basically now, you might be looking at a hype channel. Look, I would love for Palantir to be $1,000 per share and for NIO to be at $100 right now. That would be awesome. But that is pure speculative BS and is useless in helping you buy great stocks at great prices. So which YouTubers give the best bull cases and, good price targets and have good solid research and fundamentals behind what they do? Now there are many out there, I know, and I honestly do not watch enough YouTube to be able to give you a better list than what I'm giving you. So let me know the people you think give great bull cases down in the comments and I'll check them out so I can kind of expand my list. So the first is the Market Insider's private group, where you have courses that teach you how to analyze and value a stock, along with 2 other courses, and you have access to me to help you out with that too. I know, I'm sorry, it just fit perfect right there. And our discounted spots are almost all full, and you get to keep that price as long as you keep your membership. Even if we have hyperinflation, that price won't go up for you guys. Okay, the real first this time is Chicken G. Now look, I have disagreed with him in the past on stocks, and he has been right some, and I have been right some. But I cannot say he has not put in the work and gives a great bull thesis behind his stock picks. He's definitely right way more than he's wrong. Plus, he's entertaining, gives solid overall advice, especially for new investors, and makes investing simple, which I absolutely love. So the second is Jeremy over at Financial Education. Now I know some people don't like him, but I do not remember him pumping every penny stock to the moon, or every new crypto to the moon, or even pumping Tesla to the moon at the beginning of this year. And Tesla is like his favorite stock. But he was right there with me saying the valuation was just too rich for Tesla at that price at that time, and cautioned against the rampant speculation that was going on in the market at the time. And if you watch him lay out a bull thesis for a stock, it's based on facts, actual numbers, and is rooted in metrics that give an actual valuation. He clearly has done his due diligence, listened to the conference calls, and has put in the work on every stock he owns. And the final one is Tom Nash. Now yes, he is a Palantir cheerleader, and he freely admits it too, but if you look beyond his pure excitement for Palantir, you can see he does an actual valuation on Palantir and has gotten quite complex at times with his analysis on Palantir. And looking at his other valuations on stocks he has covered, he does an excellent job at producing a fair valuation and presenting a bull case that is not based on hype, but on actual analysis. And I'm not gonna lie, I just find the guy likable too. I mean, I think if we did a video together, we would have a blast just bantering back and forth. I mean, seriously, go comment on his channel, see if we can get together. I mean, that'd be awesome. So it is vital that you keep all this in mind when you are researching companies, as you must avoid getting swept up on the hype train at all costs. That always ends poorly. And if you don't have a defined plan for all your stocks, or you don't know how to create a plan or value a stock, we can help you with your planning, as there is a course in the Market Insider's private group dedicated to that, along with creating an infinite money loop, and other courses available as well, along with live weekly Q&As where you can ask me anything, a great Discord group, tons of exclusive videos, downloads, and more, all for the price of a meal for 2 at McDonald's. Consider it a cheap date that went really well. So check that out, it's the first link in the description. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.